Today we bring you two powerful stories that touch the heart of every Jamaican. Our beloved former Prime Minister, Portia Simpson Miller, now suffering from dementia, and whether Spring Queen Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce should enter representational politics. Portia Simpson Miller, affectionately called Mama P, is suffering from dementia. For years, whispers about her health circulated, but those rumors have now been confirmed by her husband, leaving the nation heartbroken. Portia is more than a politician. She is the people's leader, rising from humble beginnings in Woodhall, St. Catherine, to become Jamaica's first female prime minister and a true voice for the poor, the working class, and the voiceless. In his own words, her husband Errald Miller said, "It's the first time I'm going to publicly say it to anybody, but she has been going through dementia. She still eats, drinks, sleeps, walks, talks to us who are around. So if you come, you will see her like how you know her." These words give us a glimpse into Mama P's quiet battle, reminding us of her strength in public service and her dignity in private life. As one era draws to a close, the question arises, who will carry that torch of vibrance, passion, and people power into the future? Many Jamaicans believe Sprint Queen Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce could be that leader. With Olympic gold medals, world championship titles, and global respect. As Jamaicans reflect on Mama P's legacy, the question naturally arises, who will carry that same spirit of vibrance, love, and people power into the future? Coming up next, should Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce shift gears from sprinting to politics? Let's dive into this story. Shelly-Ann already embodies discipline, charisma, and authenticity. The big question is, should she shift from the track to representational politics and run for the People's National Party? Imagine her not just running for gold, but running for the people, bringing her worldwide popularity and fearless personality into Gordon House. Just as Mama P once connected with Jamaicans on a deeply emotional level, Shelly-Ann could inspire a new generation of leadership. Portia's illness reminds us of the fragility of life, but also the power of legacy, while Shelly-Ann's possible political journey sparks hope for renewal. Two women, two legacies, one nation searching for leadership, love, and inspiration. What do you think? Should Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce make that shift into politics? And how should Jamaica honor Mama P during this time? Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more Jamaican stories, political insights, and breaking updates.